this is part one. This is part one. Or this might not even have a series because, yeah. But this is part one of getting a new car. And no, I had this for a couple of days now, or months, or weeks. I don't know. And I forgot I had it, so I was using exchange, I think. But I just forgot I had it. I'm sorry. But yeah. And I'm gonna use this girl from like the B experience. Hello. Okay, hold on. I need to add like a waiting place.
That says don't water in it. And there's big rocks on it.
Did you like ridiculous like all the cars and they couldn't like fit like her full family? And then wait, hold on. And guys, I'm watching Toca Boca, but I'm not gonna do the four family, so I'm not actually copying it. So yeah. Type on computer. Car look for Samantha. Oh, that's me. Oh no, Avery. Coming, yeah. Your car is ready. Are you ready to look at the last car? Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. So here it is. Whoa, this might actually fit. Yes, it is for four family. Oh my gosh, I have four family members, including me, of course. But yeah. All right. So you want me to give you a minute? Yeah, sure. I'll look inside. Whoa, I can't wait. I'm using this clip. Wow, this place is literally perfect. Oh my gosh, here's even one for the baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Wow, I can't believe this. I figured this is the right one. Oh my gosh.
This is your chance to shine.
Oh my gosh, I think this is it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Yes, I would like to know your 5
I don't know. Hold on, let me need to move it.
No, I wanted to say that.
Okay.
Bye.
Hold on, let me just... Wait, I moved it. Oh my gosh, I think... Okay, hold on. Guys, let me do this video. And guys, pretend like this is like on the hook. God, I think I'm gonna get it. I think this is the right car. Alright. So you want me to get your license? Yes, please. Okay. Can we get your license plate? Where's your license plate? Where's the license plate? Okay, so we're gonna have to take a picture of you for your license. Okay. Okay, can you follow me? Of course. Okay. Okay, so this is like where she's gonna like get her license. So yeah. And the flashlight is like the flash on the right. Okay, wow. So I'm gonna serve any of the customers to the cars next. So you're just gonna. So my friend Jake is gonna help you. Okay? Okay, thank you. No, you're welcome. Okay. Guys, no people allowed. Guys, just pretend like she said Avery because the guy didn't look like the little shop guy. And I don't want to go to and I don't want to create a whole other avatar. Since I want to save it for some of the friends, like the mom and other things, and like the daycare. So, hello, my name is Avery. Oh, hi, Avery. So I'm gonna be taking your license, okay? Hold on. Okay, now can you? Okay, now look, make your best look. Okay.
Ew, I'm not staying 2 months in this house. Give me that. No. She puts it in the camera.
Bucci. Bucci.
Mom, I haven't even ate anything.
Bucci.
I can't have my beauty
Okay.
I don't even eat anything.
So here's your license. So let me go print the license. I got the license. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put it, guys, pretend like this is the license maker.
What? Oh. Wait. Wait a second.
We're back.
Are you even kidding me?
Okay, so here's your license. Now you're gonna go sit at B4. Guys, pretend this is like B4. Like where the people like go get their like license at. Okay.
I guess you're just gonna stop. Fine.
Can I sit in the front row? Oh yes. Sir, can you go sir, your car is canceled, by the way. I don't care. Sir, your car is canceled. Okay. Thank you. Wait, isn't the car actually canceled? Yeah, I couldn't afford it. It's $500. What's mine? How much money do you have? Are you just asking how much money do I have so you can get all my money? No, I'm just making sure. I have just a lot of money. Oh, it's 600. You are. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, here's the license. Oh my gosh, thank you. Wait, come on, do you have a driver's test? I don't know why it's glitching, guys. Yes, I have my driver's test. Okay, just making sure. And it doesn't even hang on. I'll use that. I know, I'm gonna put it up here. Oh my gosh, I can't wait.
It turns 3 a.m. Now I get to renovate this whole room, and I know what credit card. She's so dumb. I could just do it.
Hold on, Mom. What? You forgot your keys. Oh. Okay. Who's there? It's Shala. Okay, come in. Okay. So. Here we go. Oh, we're already rusty. Because this car is kind of old, and no one wanted to buy it since they think it was too small, but it's actually ginormous. This look once outside. Oh, I feel not bad. Okay, have a good day. You too. Can't wait. I hope I don't get pulled over. Oh, why are the police here? They walk up to the car. She rolls down the windows. Hello? Hi, I would like to see your license. Why? Oh, because when we see someone get a new car, we like to check their license, make sure they're right. Why? Because sometimes the license can be a scam. Okay, here you go. Rotates it to see like the other outer picture. Okay, you're good to go. Is there a mistake? No, it's person's fine. We just like to check because he's actually a person that's actually getting owns like a shop. actually like owns every shop.
Almost done.
But I'm glad this one is private and
How
you
much we
need
got in here?
your icon.
Be quiet.
And you need a picture to use this.
Oh, there's 4.
And the murderer doesn't have the icon.
Now
Since none criminals have phones or anything, so yeah. Oh. Okay, I'm glad. Thank you. No problem. Have a nice day. You too.
She's actually.
Woohoo!
Yeah, I think she's lying about. Do you want to light in here? Of course, like why not?
Why is it moving? Skirt. Oh my god. Hello? Hello? Anyways. Oh. It says car moving. That's okay.
Okay, the thing is done.
That's all for today, guys, and I hope you all like the series, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!